Okay guys, here we are back in the slaughter trailer. We're back here looking at the battery compartment. So real simple, open these up, just push the buttons and they pop right open and open the door. We made this door accessible because of the need to every once in a while get in here. As you can see on the top shelf we have our hydraulic pump, and that hydraulic pump runs all the functions in the back on the winches and the booms. Giving you the hydraulic power you need out there. Usually just check the oil, and if this tank has the capacity for I think 2 or 3 gallons, as long as it's 3/4 of the way full, everything is hunky-dory. Don't need to add any more. If you add too much, it will overfill and then it will spill down. If you hear that the pump is surging and not having enough oil, let's make sure we get it filled 3/4 of the way full. Other than that, I would once a year check it for leaks. If there are leaks, tighten up the fittings. Okay. Below it we have 2 deep cell batteries. Now these are Optima batteries. They're one of the best ones in the industry for this kind of scenario. These are high output voltage batteries. These are not like an RV battery. These aren't like a car battery. These are just a little bit different. These are made to move winches. And that's what we have on here is winches, winch power. We also run the lights, the winches, the hot water heater, the tank heater, and the jacks, all off of these batteries. They're very powerful, very good. And to protect them, we put a circuit breaker in there. That's a 200 amp circuit breaker. And same thing, every once in a while it'll pop. For no reason at all. Don't be scared, just turn it back on. If it continues to pop, then there is a problem, but even going down the road will sometimes pop. A key way to figure out if there's nothing going on is if there's no lights. If it trips, it goes dark. Nothing we can do. And so the quickest thing to do, if you have no lights, I would jump up here and check this fuse first. That's my first go-to. Second, if there's no lights and that's not tripped, your batteries are completely dead. Fire up the generator, get things charging. And to do that, we have a great, amazing little charger right here. It has a few fuses in the back. Usually those don't ever go out. Haven't seen one, but it's always good to check. This is a 100 amp battery charger that has 4 different modes. Each mode is so that it can maximize its potential. So it has a max charge, which will put out the full amps. I think a high charge, a maintain charge, and a trickle charge. So each one of those modes, it'll choose it however the batteries need. It will decide and choose the form it needs. So this is a very smart battery charger. No need to even think about it. It is a simple 110 plug. And so as we see here, this yellow plug is the plug to the trailer. This black plug is just the plug for the battery charger. If you're in a situation where you do not have single phase 220 to plug the entire trailer in, and you would like to charge the batteries, you can always open up this compartment, unplug it, and plug this end into a normal 110 extension cord, and this will charge your batteries as if the trailer is plugged in. So, always remember, keep it plugged in. That way you can charge it with the generator and the battery and the landline. Or if in emergency you need to charge the batteries, you can always open up this compartment and run an extension cord and charge them up. And I think that's all we have in this box. The hydraulic pump, the batteries, and the charger. And one more important thing is this 200 amp breaker. Any questions, let us know.